Hi, dear EMAS parents. I'm going to show you how to book appointments with the teachers for the coming EMAS online parent-teacher meeting conference. So you have this website which is designed for this purpose. At the home page, you will see some welcoming message and information on the previous online parents-teacher meeting conference, in short OPTM. And at the bottom, you will see two buttons. One is if you want to book for a teacher in the primary school, and the other one if you want to book for a teacher in the secondary school. You could also access them from the left navigation over here. If you click on the arrow, you have the primary classes and you have the secondary classes. So if I go to primary classes, for example, you will have your classes appear over here. So you select your child's class and you go there. So for example, here 1A1, once I click on 1A1, I will go to 1A1, and this is where I can book the appointments. You can also select from the left side navigation. So if I want 3A4, for example, I can just click from the left navigation over here and I will be directed to 3A4. Alright, so once you go to this page, now you scroll down, you will see your teachers. Here for English, Miss Nurul is the teacher, and you can book for her using this form. So first thing, you need to type in the ID of the student, just the number part, for example 12356, and the student name, for example the parent name, and the parent email. Now this is important as you will be able to attend the Google Meet using this email. So please make sure it's a valid email. Please make sure it's the same email that you use for all appointments. So you can either use a Gmail, or if you don't have a Gmail, then use the student EMAS email. I'll use my email. Here it will accept, and then you select the date. So let's say I select Friday, and then I'll click next. Now I go to the page where I select the slot. What time? So once I click over here, I can see all the times. I will see the available slot that suits me. So for, let's say I want to book from 9:40 to 9:50. Please note the time. Remember the time that you booked for with Miss Nurul at this time. So when you book with another teacher, book at another time slot. So now I can just click on submit, and the time is booked. Your appointment has been saved. You will receive a notification if the appointment was disregarded for technical issue. So if there is something wrong, maybe if there is a clash in the appointment, or you booked twice with the same teacher, you will receive a notification that the appointment was disregarded. So, and then you repeat this step for all your teachers, for math, Miss Iltizam, science, and so on. So you fill up all the forms for all the teachers that you want to meet. Just remember that if some classes would have Arabic for NAS students, therefore you would see levels. This is class 3A4. They don't have non-Arabic speakers, so you only see this. But let me select another class, for example 2A2, or I think 4A2. So if I scroll down, yeah, you see here you have Arabic and Quran, Miss Sama. This is for NAS level 1. So you have to check with your children who is their teacher. Is it Miss Sama for level 1 or Riham for level 2, and so on. Now the same thing is for Malay. You have the Malay Mr. Rizhan for foundation level, and if I scroll down, you will see Miss Umi for beginners and Mr. Riza for advanced. So when you finish booking all your appointments, at the end of the booking session, when all the appointments have been booked, you will receive an email with a summary of all your appointments and all the links for those appointments. So please make sure the email that you place over here is a valid email. Thank you so much. I hope you found this useful, and it will aid you in communicating with the teachers of your children. Thank you.